Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to use Randoop, an automatic test generator for your Java code. So right here, you can see a bunch of files, and if you're using a Windows laptop like me, you want to look for the zip version of this tool. Now, once you installed it, you should see it in your downloads folder. So you should extract it and then click into the folder. And here what you want to do is you want to look for the randoop-all-version number. And then you copy the path of this and add to the environment variables of your computer. And why do you do this? This is because you need to tell your computer where to look for if you want to run the test generator. So you can do it here in the system variables, type in a variable name, and the value would be the path to the executable jar file. Since I've already done this, it should already be here, and it should look like this in your system variables panel. Now you can click OK twice to confirm. Now, let's say you're a bit skeptical and you want to check if it's actually installed on your laptop or not. So you can go to the command prompt, and then you would want to run Java class test, and then class path, and then the name of the environment variables that you've created earlier, randoop.main.main, chain test, and then help. Oops, typos. Boom. So if it lists you like a bunch of commands like this, that means you've successfully installed Randoop on your computer. Now, let's say I want to run this test generator on a simple calculator class. And it should look like this. And if I want to like test every single math operators like functions in this calculator class without like manually having to write code, first you want to do is you want to open the command prompt terminal, not the PowerShell or the Git Bash terminal, the command prompt terminal. And then you navigate to this folder, which is exercise 2 for me. And then here, since Randoop is only optimized for testing class file, what you want to do is that you need to compile this .java file to .class file. So to do this, you do java -d and then the path of the folder that you want the class file to be in, so which is this path that I'll be copying, and then the Java file that you want to compile. Once you've done this, you see the .class file has been generated, and then from here you would want to write Java class path, and then the path to this folder again, semicolon, the environment variable of Randoop, then randoop.main, and then chain test, test class, and calculator. So while it's running, um, I would just like kind of explain how it works in general. So essentially, it just generates like pseudo random test that basically like trying to give the function as many different possible inputs as possible, and then from there it kind of like captures like the behavior of your code and then like generate tests upon it. So I think this would take a while, so I would just like make the video faster a little bit. So here we go. All right, and then as you can see, there are a bunch of test file that has been generated, and essentially it's just, as you can see, it's trying to test like as many different uh, numbers as possible. It's right here and then right here. So yeah, it it can take a while. It depends on how many functions that you want to test. But overall, it's really useful tools if you want to generate just like some synthetic tests for your code without manually having to write them out. So Yeah, and that's it for Randoop. Thank you for watching and listening. And yeah, thank you.